enjoying herself.
Look, what a good idea.
Look, see this baby?
Yeah.
Let's talk to her. Want to talk to her?
No.
Can I ask her a question?
No.
Excuse me, baby in the phone? Yes? Yes? What's the baby in the phone say? Excuse me, baby in the phone? I have a question for you. Can I ask Can I ask the baby a question?
Yeah.
Okay, little baby in the phone?
Yeah.
What is it about the high chair that you don't like? What is it about it?
I want the tray.
You do want the tray?
Yeah.
And then you'll be okay?
Yeah.
That's all you want?
Yeah.
Oh, I would give you the tray.
I'll show you up.
You will?
Yeah.
I thought you just wanted the tray.
I want Daddy to put on my lap. I want Daddy on my lap.
What? Look how close we are. Hello, look how close we are. Don't you like this?
No.
We're cuddling. Look at us.
They also right there.
What? Can I put the food in your? Want me to put the food in your mouth for you?
No, also right there.
What?
Because I
On my
want
lap?
to.
Will you stay still?
Yeah.
Okay. Promise.
Promise.
If you start getting really squiggly, I can put you back.
Am I high chair?
Yeah.
No.
Right here. If you start getting real squiggly.
No. I don't want to.
All right. Say bye. Say bye, cry baby.
Bye, baby.
Say see you later.
See you later.
Why don't you blow her a kiss?
Mwah.
Ah. Ciao.